So today I'm going to make my first video on this channel, and in my first video I will talk to you about that how to get fruit picking jobs in Australia. And this is and in this job you do not require any work experience or any qualification or any age limit. Anyone can apply for this visa. There are 3 years visa for fruit picking job. There is 3 years visa for fruit picking job, and there is 1 year visa for fruit picking job. And all you need is a connection, a contact with a farmer in Australia. And there are some agencies, some some agencies in one some of in there are some agencies in all those Pacific islands like Papua New Guinea, Fiji, and Solomon Island and Tonga. So fruit picking visa is very easy to get for those people who belong to Pacific Islands, but also people from all over the world. They can come on a different visa and do fruit picking jobs. So I will post a video very soon in which I will tell you my story of fruit picking job I have done all over Australia when I was here when I was living here as a student. And that video I will post it tomorrow. That would be my second video. So in today's video I'm just explaining to you that I'm here to help you guys getting this visa, and I will try all. Even though I'm not a consultant, I'm not a visa consultant, I have got no connection with farmers. All I will do, I will call those farmers in Australia. I will find their contact numbers through Google search. I will contact them and I will ask them that how can they bring you to Australia from all those Pacific Island countries. And when I will be calling them, I will make a video of that at the same time, so you can see and hear from your own eyes and hear from your own ear that what I'm talking to them and what they are telling me about how they can help you come to Australia and get a fruit picking visa. So guys, get ready for getting a visa for Australia, and the fruit picking visa will change your life forever, because Australia is a beautiful country. It's a peaceful country, and there is a lot of income via fruit picking jobs, because fruit picking job doesn't is not only wages, hourly wage job. It's a contract. It's a job where you can make as much money as you can. The more you pick, the more you work, like the more you cut the trees, like a pruning job, the more money you can make. Because I will tell you just a small story. When I was living here as a student, there were some Afghan refugees came from Afghanistan, and all their life they were farmers, so they had a very fast speed than compared to a person who never worked on farm. And they used to make $1,000, $1,500 a day. And I'm telling you guys, this is the truth. This is no joke. This is not a lie or anything. I'm telling you the truth. I don't have the proof to prove you, but I'm telling you this. That's what I have seen. But I used to make, personally, because I was not a farmer, I never worked a farm, so I used to work $250 to $300 a day. But those guys who worked all their life in farms, they used to make $1,000 a day. And there are a lot of farms out there in Australia, all over Australia. A lot of different kind of farm works, like tree pruning, fruit picking, or vegetable cutting. And then there is a job for packing as well, for ladies who can't, the ladies, if they can't work on farm, the physical hard work, then there are jobs for them as well. And all these jobs doesn't require any fruit picking experience, doesn't require any qualification. All you need a sponsorship from those farmer, and you can come here on a visa for 1 year or 3 years, and even you can bring your family to Australia, and they can, and your kids can go to school here, and you can work and make lots of money. So this is it, guys, for today. This is the video for today, and I hope you stay connected to me. And in the next few days, I will bring more interesting video to you. I will help you out with fruit picking visa, but at the same time, I will be doing daily vlogs videos as well. I will show you my lifestyle, how I live, and what I do in my daily life. So my channel name is Virus. So please subscribe my channel and hit that notification bell down below for all the latest upcoming videos, and share this video for as much as you can, so people who wants to come to Australia can see this video and can contact me via via YouTube. My channel name is Virus, and I will and you can find the link in the URL address, obviously. So I will see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.